Hello guys, so today we're going to be solving lesson 23, problems 5 and 7. So in the first one, in problem 5, we have the integral of 3.1 over 3 cosine of x2 of dx using n4. And we're asked today to ask, instead of using the Riemann sign, we're asked to use the trapezoidal rule. The trapezoidal rule goes like this. The area is equivalent to the f of x I plus 1 plus the f of x I 2 times delta x. Delta x is this right here, b minus a over n. So what is b minus a? B minus a is 3.1 minus 3 over n, and is 4. So that goes to 0.1 over 4. We're going to leave that like that. Okay, so f of x is I, so this is how it works. The first one, f1, is not affected by 0.1 over f. It's actually the second one. So we have 1 plus f of x 2 0.1 over 4 plus f of x 3 0.1 over 4, so on and so forth. You plug all of that in and use this equation, and you will get this answer right here, 0.098. Okay, for this one, number 7 is asking us, how can we prove, that's a mistake, how can we prove that pi is equivalent to the integral of 1 over 0 of 4 of 1 plus x over 2. Now at first glance you'll be like, wow, this is insane. And it is actually. But somehow we can prove this. And I'll show you. So if you just look at this, you can actually understand that this is actually this. I mean, we're forgetting about this for now, the pi with the integral. We're forgetting about that. We're focusing on this. And what does this look like? This looks like a very familiar thing that we like to call arctan. So now we're going to replace this equation with this equation. So it will be arctan 4 arctan of 1 minus another 4 arctan of 0. Right now you're like, wow, what the hell? How does this relate to pi at all? Well, I'll show you. So if we just look at the base, let's say imaginarily y is equal to arctan of 1. Arctan of 1, we can do tangent, right? We add this here, we put a tangent here, and this will cancel out the arctan. And we'll be left with tan of y is equal to 1. And what is tan of y when it equals 1? Well, we know that this tan of y when it's equal to 1 is pi over 4, right? So now if we apply this information to here, voila, we get pi over 4 by 4. Cross that out, and we get pi, which is what we wanted to prove.